Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make melatonin suppositories. First, gather your essential materials: melatonin powder, a suppository base like cocoa butter, and a suppository mold. You'll also need a small, heat-safe container and a stirring tool. It's crucial to ensure all your equipment is meticulously clean and sanitized before you start the process to maintain hygiene and product integrity. Next, gently melt your chosen suppository base, such as cocoa butter or coconut oil, using a double boiler or very low heat. Once melted, accurately measure the desired amount of melatonin powder for each individual suppository. Carefully add the melatonin powder to the melted base, stirring continuously until it is completely dissolved and evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This ensures consistent dosing. Now it's time to fill your suppository molds. Carefully pour the warm, liquid mixture into each cavity of the mold. Be precise and avoid overfilling to ensure each suppository has a consistent size and shape. Once all cavities are filled, place the molds in a cool place or even the refrigerator to allow the mixture to solidify completely. This usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour. Finally, once your suppositories are completely solid, gently remove them from their molds. They should pop out easily. Store your finished melatonin suppositories in an airtight container to protect them from moisture and air. Keep the container in a cool, dark place, such as a refrigerator, to maintain their stability and potency. Remember to clearly label the container with the contents and dosage for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.